Hello everyone. As you know, there are many methods to make demand forecasting. Which one should be used? Which one is better? Watch this video to answer this question. And do not forget to subscribe to Aljazari channel to watch more helpful videos. The criteria upon which we decide which forecast method is more appropriate is the forecast accuracy. There are three different measures for forecasting accuracy. They are the mean absolute deviation or MAD, the mean square error or MSE, and the mean absolute percent error or MABE. The average absolute error can be calculated using this formula MAD equal sigma the absolute value of AT minus FT divided by N, where AT is the actual sales at a certain period and FT is the forecasted demand at the same period, and N is the number of given data. Of course, AT minus FT is the error, so we add up all the error values for all given periods and divide them by the number of periods, so we get the mean absolute deviation or the average absolute error. While the mean square errors can be calculated using the shown formula MSE equal sigma AT minus FT square divided by N minus 1. So here we add up the square value of the error for all periods and divide them by the number of periods minus 1. And the average absolute percent errors can be computed using the shown formula MABE equal the summation of absolute value of AT minus FT divided by AT multiplied by 100 to get the percentage of the error to the actual sales and divide all this by N. Let us apply these three measures in a case study. In this case study, we have the actual sales for a certain company from the first quarter of 2020 to the fourth quarter of 2023. And the demand forecast was calculated from the fourth quarter of year 2020 till the first quarter of year 2024 using two methods. The two forecast demand method used are the 3-quarter moving average method, these values, and the trend equation, these values. To calculate the demand forecast using these two methods was explained in previous two videos. If you need to watch them, the link is in the description of this video. So we need to calculate the forecast accuracy for both of them and compare between them to see which method is better. I will use the three forecast accuracy measure MAD, MSE, and MAB. So to do this, we have to add or to calculate at the beginning the error of the forecast, which is the difference between the actual sales and the forecast. I will do it for the 3-quarter moving average. Then I will do it for the trend line equation. So here is the error for 3 QMAM or 3-quarter moving average method. The error, as you know, it is actual minus the forecast. So for this quarter, it is 2,500 minus 1,767. This is equal 733. For the next period, it is 1,300 minus 2,000 equal negative 700. The next period, it is 1500 minus 1733. It is equal minus 233. The next period, it is 1200 minus 1767, and this is equal negative 567. So we will continue at the same manner till the last period. Well, now we have the error for all periods. I will add another column to calculate the absolute value of the error. The absolute value of 733 is 733. The absolute value of 700 is 700. The absolute value of negative 233 is 233. The absolute value of negative 567 is 567, and so on till the last value. These calculated values for the absolute value of the error will be used to calculate the MAD. To calculate the MSE, we have to calculate the square of the error, or A minus F to the power 2. So I will add column here to calculate the error square, the error to the power 2. Of course, we will do this for each period. For the fourth quarter of 2020, the error is 733. So 733 to the power 2, it is equal 537,289. 700 square equal 490,000. 233 to the power 2 equal 54,289. 567 to the power 2 equal 321,489, and so on till the fourth quarter of 2023. To calculate the third measure of forecast accuracy, which is MABE, we have to calculate the percentage of the error, absolute value of the error, to the actual value of the forecast. So I will add column here for this calculation. So in this column, I will calculate the percentage of the absolute value of the error to the actual value. For this period, it is 733 times 100 divided by for actual sales for this period, it is 2,500. So this is equal 29.22. For the second period, it is 700 multiplied by 100 divided by 1,300, and this is equal to 53.85. Of course, this is percentage. For the next period, it is 233 times 100 divided by this value, the actual sales for this period, 1,500, and this is equal 15.53%. For the next period, the absolute value of the error, 567 multiplied by 100 divided by the actual sales, 1,200. This is equal 47.25%. The same we will continue for all periods. Once we finish the calculation of these values, we have to calculate the summation of them. The summation of the absolute value of the error, the summation of the square of the error, and the summation of the percentage of the error. For the absolute value of the error, the summation is 7,033. The summation of the square of the error is 4,651,579, while the summation of the percentage of the error is 398.71. Now we are ready to calculate the three measures for the forecast accuracy for the first type of the first method of the forecast, which is the 3-quarter moving average method. So it is equal to the summation of the absolute value of the error, which is 7033, divided by n, which is the number of given data. The number of given data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So n equals 13. And this is equal 541. For MSE equal the square value, the summation of the square value of the error divided by n negative 1. So the summation of the square value of the error is 4,651,579. So it is equal 4,651,579 divided by n minus 1, n equal 13, so n minus 1 equal 12. This is equal 387,632. The last forecasting accuracy measure, which is MABE, it is equal to the summation of the percentage of the error divided by n. The summation is 398.71 divided by n, which is 13. And this is equal 30.67. Well, we finished the calculation of the 3 measures of the forecasting accuracy for the first method, which is the 3-quarter moving average method. MAD equal 541, MSE equal 387,632, while MAB equal 30.67%. So I will repeat this again for the second method, which is the trend equation, and at the end I will compare between these 3 measures to see or to select which method is more appropriate or more suitable for the calculation of the forecast given this actual sales data. Repeating the same procedure for the trend equation method, starting by the calculation of the error. The error of this period is 2,500 minus 1,682, and this is equal 818. For the next period, it is 1,300 minus 1,716, so this is equal negative 416. The next period, it is 1,500 minus 1,749, and this is equal negative 249. For the next period, 1,200 minus 1,782, this is equal negative 582. Continue in the same manner till the end. Next, calculate the absolute value of the error we just calculated. The absolute value of 818, it is the same 818. Absolute value of negative 416 equal 416. Absolute value of negative 249 equal 249, and so on. Next is to calculate the square of the error. So for this period, 818 square equal 669,124. For the next period, negative 416 to the power 2 equal 173,056. For the next period, negative 249 to the power 2 equal 62,000. and 1. Again, continue till the last period, calculating the square value of the error. After that, calculate the percentage of the error, which equal the absolute value of the error divided by the actual sales multiplied by 100. So for this period, it is 818 multiplied by 100 and divided by 2500. This is equal to 32.72. The next period, it is 416 multiplied by 100 divided by 1300. This is equal 32%. Next period, 249 multiplied by 100 divided by 1500. This is equal 16.6%. Next period, 582 multiplied by 100 divided by 1200. This is equal 48.5%. Continue till the end. After finishing the calculation of the absolute value of the error, the square of the error, and the percentage of the error for all periods, we have to calculate the summation of all of them. The summation of the absolute value of the error is 5420. The summation of the square of the error is 3,260,378, while the summation of the percentage is 324.36. Now we are ready to use these values to calculate the three measures of the forecasting accuracy for the trend equation. MAD equals the summation of the absolute value of the error, this value 5420, divided by the number of periods, which is 13, and this is equal 470. For the MSE equals the summation of the square of the error divided by n minus 1. So it is 3,260,000 and 378 divided by 12. This is equal 271,000 and 698. While for the MABE, it is equal to the summation of the percentage of the error divided by n. So it is equal 324.36 divided by 13. This is equal 25%. Well, the summary of this calculation that the MAD, or the mean average deviation of the first method, the 3/4 moving average, is 541. The MSE, the mean square error, equal 387,000 and 632, while the MABE, or the mean absolute percentage error, equal 30.67%. While for the trend equation method, MAD equal 417, MSE equal 271,698, while MAB equal 25%. So in conclusion, it is clear that the error for the trend equation method is less than that for the 3/4 moving average. The MAD for the trend equation method is 417, while it is for L 3/4 moving average is 541. So this one is less than this one. The MSE is the same, this one is less than this one, and the MAB, this value 25 is less than 30%. So in conclusion, the trend line equation method has error less than that of the 3/4 moving average method, and this is approved by calculation of the forecasting accuracy using 3 different methods. So this means that the trend equation method is more accurate. So in the future, this method is suitable for the calculation of the demand forecast for this company given the historical data we used for calculation. Hopefully, you understand how to calculate the error and the accuracy of any forecast method and use it to compare between two or more different methods to select which one is more appropriate or which one is more accurate or which one has less error to be used. Thank you for listening. If you find this video helpful for you, share it with your colleagues and give it like. If you have any question, please write it in the comment or email me. And if you do not do it, subscribe to our channel. See you again. Goodbye.